How can I tell if a money-making course is a scam? Okay, you're probably wondering about this. How do you tell if a course is any good on how to make money online? In this video, well, I almost didn't want to make this video because there's so many scammers out there who probably barrage me with comments below, but I think you need to know, if you're thinking about buying an online course, don't do it until you've watched this video to the very end. I'll show you how you could get scammed and how you can prevent yourself from getting scammed. Let's get going. So I've been selling online since 2009. I've been doing it a long time, sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and what I've noticed is more and more scammers online. Now when I first got to where I was selling online, I decided I wanted training. I decided I didn't want to try to figure it all out. I wanted to learn from other people, and I started looking for courses on how to do stuff online. Now to this day I have authored a lot of courses, and I authored them because I did certain things that did make me money, and I want to share those ideas with other people. But back then, let's go back to 2009 when I started online, there wasn't much out there. The majority of the people out there that were selling courses on how to make money online didn't make money online. And let me explain that. What I mean by that is the only way they made money was selling courses on how to make money. So they had never sold a product or a service or anything along those lines. They were just selling courses on how to make money online. My feeling was that if they hadn't already sold products online, they're not going to teach me how to sell products online and be successful because they haven't done it. So the first step you want to look at is, when you're looking at some of these courses out here, you need to look into the background of the people. Now my main company is Survival K Food, had that for about 10 years. We sell that food every single day. It's survival food. But I have other businesses now. I have courses. We've ran Facebook ads. We're successful. I have a course on Facebook ads. I've done drop shipping. I have a course on drop shipping, but I've already done these things. And what I do in the course is I actually show you guys how to do it. But what you need to do is avoid the scams. So let's jump into those right now. Now, a few years ago, I had to have some surgery done, and I thought it was pretty important because they were actually operating on my heart. And I went out and I did research. And I did a lot of research because I wanted the best guy to do that. Okay, I wanted a guy to do that knew what he was doing. Unfortunately, I see people online every day and they say, well, it's only 27 bucks. I'll give the guy $27 and see if it's any good. Don't do that. Don't do that. Check a person out. Okay, go to their courses, try to find people who've taken courses, ask them for testimonials, ask them for people they can call and talk to, and if they can't provide any of that, that's got to be a red flag, guys. Don't justify it that it's only $27 or only $47. Check them out. That's the first thing I don't see people do. Now here's some of the scam alert things I'm going to give you. Okay, the first one here is they'll tell you you don't need to do any research. Now what I mean by that is these courses will promise you, well, you don't have to do any research to create an online course, that they have a template, you can just fill out the template and you won't have to do much work at all. Okay, that should be a red flag right there. If they tell you you don't have a lot of work to do, that they have the template, they've figured it all out and they're just going to give you the path to doing it, it's a lie. You're still going to have to work. Even in my courses where I teach you how to do stuff, you're still going to have to work. Okay, you're still going to have to do stuff. It is not easy. We just give you the template to do it. Okay, but you still got to do work. So if they're telling you they've got a template where you don't have to do anything, that's a red flag. Number two, they're not qualified instructors. Okay, they're not qualified to do what they're doing. How long have they been doing it? How many courses do they have? Do they have just one course that they've been pumping out for years and years and years? It's the same course they've had for years. They've never improved that course. They've never done anything with that course. They've never learned anymore. In digital marketing and selling online, guys, if you're not learning like every single day something new, you're behind. You are behind, because every day I come across stuff like, wow, I didn't know I could do that, or geez, that looks good, or this here could speed up the process. And I'm there every day doing this because that's what I do. I actually sell stuff online. Number three, they have no history in teaching anybody anything. Okay, if they don't have any history in teaching anybody anything, this is the first time they've ever done something like this. My background was I did sales training for years. I mean, like 20 some odd years. I was on the road for 9 years doing seminars, doing sales training. So I had that training background. So when I learned what to do online and how to sell products online, I kind of just moved over that information on how to train people from there. I was able to train people in sales and they got better sales, so I can train people on making money online and they can make more money online because I've already done that. So make sure they have a background, some historical background. The next red flag, number 4, they are charging you for access to a Facebook group. Okay, first off, let me get this clear. If you've been charged to be in a Facebook group, what they're doing is not legal according to Facebook. Now Facebook sets their own standards, but the one thing they tell you is Facebook groups are free to create, but you cannot charge anybody to be a member. So if somebody is charging you to be a member of a Facebook group, red flag, scam, get away. Number 5, they put high pressure on you to buy right now. They say you got to buy right now today. This is your only chance. This is going to go away. You know, you'll never be able to buy it again. Now my courses, we do have periods where they'll go on sale. We'll have a discount for a certain period of time, but the course doesn't go away. It doesn't disappear. You can buy it the next day. Maybe it costs more money, but we always have those courses available. So if they're saying, hey, this is going to go away, you'll never have this opportunity again, you're going to miss out and you won't be the next multi-millionaire internet marketer, run from those people, because that's a lie. Number 6, they say if you get it wrong and you don't use their materials, you're going to be ruined and you'll lose all your money. Okay, if you don't use their materials, they've got the one way to do it. Every other way is wrong. That's a lie. That's a lie. There's a lot of ways to make money online. There's a lot of methods to making money online. I have my methods and they work good, but you know what, there's other people out there that have methods and they're really good and they work too. So if they're telling you they've got the only way and the only method to doing this stuff, run away. It's a scam. Number 7, they tell you that you couldn't possibly do it without their training materials or without them. That's not true. Okay, whatever they know, no matter how great it is, they learned it. Okay, whatever you know, probably you know a lot more now than you did 5 years ago. You learned it from somewhere. So there's not just one way to do this, and you don't have to have that person's information. You don't have to have my courses. I have some great courses. They're down below. You're welcome to look at them, but you don't have to have mine. There's other ways of doing it. I think mine are good. They're based on our results and what we did, but they're not the only way to do it. And if anybody's telling you that you have to have their methods to do it, it's a scam. Run away. Number 8, this is a huge one. This is huge. Did I say huge? I did say huge. And it's huge because if they tell you that you can't see the course before you buy it, run away. It's a scam. Now all of my courses, I show you what the modules are. I tell you what's in each module. I tell you how long each video is. I tell you what it's going to cover in there, because that way you can look at it and say, do I want this? Do I already know this? Is this something I want to learn? If they can't show you the course prior to you buying the course, and I don't mean them just giving you the course and you can go through the whole course, what I mean is seeing how it's broken down into the different parts and pieces and what you're going to learn, it's a scam. You need to run away. It's easy. That's what some people will tell you. It's easy. This is the biggest scam I've ever seen, is telling people it's easy. Why? Because it's easy to sell you something if I tell you it's easy to do. Okay, if I sit here and tell you, hey, I've got a method to do something, but you're gonna have to work hard, that is not going to close as many people as I've got a method to do something. You don't have to put in any work, and maybe an hour a week or an hour a month, and you could sit on the beach and rake in millions of dollars. That's a lot easier to sell somebody, but it's not true. Okay, it's not true. So what you have to understand is, if people are telling you this stuff is easy to do, they are lying to you. It's going to take you weeks, months, years to build it up. And I know it did for me. My first try was selling cell phone cases on eBay, and there were millions of cell phone cases being sold, and I sold some too, but I never made any money. Okay, I never made money. I lost money on my cell phone cases, and that was okay, because I did learn how to sell stuff online. I did learn how to list something on eBay. I learned how to, get money in. I learned how to set up a PayPal account. I learned from that particular start, and then I went into some survival products, some camping products. I moved into selling somebody's survival food. That company went out of business. I came up with my own survival food. Now I've had that for over 10 years. I now have courses on Facebook. I have courses on Shopify. I have courses on drop shipping. I got all kinds of different courses, email systems. I have all these courses now because they're all based on what I already did. Okay, so whatever course they're teaching you, I know a guy out there who sells affiliate marketing courses, and he's never done any affiliate marketing. The only thing he ever does is get you to sell his affiliate marketing courses. That's his whole scam, right? He does affiliate marketing, and he wants you to sell his affiliate marketing course on how to sell his affiliate marketing course. Okay, that's what he does. Okay, and that is not going to help you. Okay, so if somebody's making it sound easy, they don't have these credentials, you need to run away. It's a scam. Also check them out. Do they have any social media? I have a website. Okay, I have some Facebook groups. I have a Facebook page. I'm not fond of Facebook. I'm going to tell you that right now. I have for a lot of different reasons, political and everything else. I have a YouTube channel. You're watching me on a YouTube channel right now, and I put out content on the YouTube channel. The reason I put out content, the reason it's free, is because you see what's on here, you see what you get for free, and a lot of people go, well gee, if I get that value for free, then his other stuff must be really good, which it is, and they tend to buy my courses. Okay, so what I'm telling you is check it out. You know, if you lost money on a course online nowadays, no offense, it's your fault, because you didn't check them out. You didn't see who they were. You didn't dig deep enough. Okay, look them up in the Better Business Bureau, put in the word scam in their name, you know, in Google search, and see what they've done. It's pretty easy to find information on people nowadays. There's going to be videos about people. There's going to be testimonials, right? Are those testimonials real? Check that stuff out. Find out about the person selling the course. Now the bottom line, the good news is you can make money online. I've been doing it for over 10 years now, and made millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, but the bad news is there's scammers out there. How do you separate those two? You just do your research. That's all you do. Do your research. Go down that list of things I gave you. If any of those red flags are there, run away from the person, look for the next one. If you're interested in my courses, I have some down below that you can purchase. I also have a free one, a $97 one. You can check that out. It's down below. It says $97 free course. You click and learn. No credit card required. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. There's a big button down there, a red button. Click that button, it turns gray, and then this bell pops open, and you want to turn on all bell notifications so that I can notify you every single time I do a new video. I really appreciate you watching this video. Put your comments below. If you've been scammed, put it below. Let's hear about it. Okay, if you know some stuff about learning stuff online, put it below. And if you just have some questions about making money online, feel free to put those comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.